All right, so there's our schema. And we're working on count, aggregate function. Then we'll do sum, average, max, min. What should we count? Rental transactions?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
How do we do it? Select. Count.
Asterisk.
Sure.
From. Rentals.
Is that it?
I think so.
I think that's it. 100 total rentals. Cool. Let's do another count. What's in our count? Select CNAME. Unique customers. Let's do just customers on this one. I have to change it to something else because we have table customers, and we'll get name collisions. Is that it for that? Well, and what about this one? Surname.
What was the misspelled distinct?
Distinct.
That's distinct.
So same, but we could insert, right? Select star from customers. We can insert a customer name, insert into customers, values, 11. Single quotes or double quotes?
Single quotes.
Dang it, I always forget. And let's do coal. There's going to be 2 coals. So now we have 2 coals. So if we do select star from select count, we get 13. But if we do distinct, we get 12. Straightforward. That's distinct.